How to use a welding laser machine. Adjust the scale tube in front of the welding head to the appropriate focus and the angle. Install the welding nozzle and wire holder. Adjust welding parameters and gas pressure to tuber. Remove excess welding wire, align it to the welding position, and press the switch. You only need to ensure that the welding position is correct, and the machine will do the rest, and you will get a perfect workpiece. Next, we will show you how to perform cutting and debugging on this laser welding machine. Welding wire is not required for cutting. We remove the wire holder. Remove the welding nozzle and replace it with the special cutting nozzle. Adjust the lower scale tube so that the focus falls on the nozzle position. Adjust the air pressure gauge to ensure the air pressure is 7 bar. Import cutting parameters. After completing the above steps, you can cut any shape. If your weld is not beautiful and has color, you can do this. Replace the nozzle, adjust the equipment parameters, aim the nozzle at the weld seam and press the switch to spray. After the scanning is completed, the weld will return to its original metallic color and become beautiful. Click the reset button, turn the machine on and off again, and the system will automatically enter cleaning mode. Perform background parameter settings and cleaning parameter settings. Remove part of the scale tool and base under the welding cutting head and install the special cleaning nozzle. Check whether the beam is at the center of the welding head to prevent laser damage to the welding head during rust removal. Aim at the rust removal position and sweep. Pay attention to the appropriate distance. Use the focus position to remove rust. The distance is correct when the rust removal sound is loudest and the sparks are strongest.